Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 2 88 kit build series. In this part of the build, we are going to cover building up the gearbox or transmission, and that is step 4 in the manual. For this part of the series, you'll need the following parts. You'll need the transmission housing or gearbox. You'll need the parts from bag J, the screws from bag E, and you'll need this 2-speed gear set from this bag right here. You can find these 3 things from this screw and gears bag. Alright, for step 4.1, you'll need the following parts. You'll need these 3 parts from bag J as well as the bearings, and you'll need 4 M2 by 5 countersunk screws and 1 M2.5 by 8 countersunk screw. And that completes step 4.1. For step 4.2, you don't have to do anything. It's already been done for you. This is the 2-speed. Basically works like this. So right now, you see this is the gear that's spinning. When the shift servo pulls this out, then the big gear spins. Anyway, on to step 4.3. For step 4.3, you'll need the following pieces. You'll need the shifting fork as well as the shaft for that shifter, the 2 E-clips, or 4 M2.5 by 10 cap head screws. You'll need 4 5x8 by 0.1 spacers and 4 5x8 by 0.5 spacers. You'll need 6 5x11 by 4 bearings. You'll need this 12-tooth gear, this 15-tooth gear, and these 2 20-tooth gears, as well as the shaft. You also need this, the black graphite grease. Alright, take two 0.5 thickness spacers. This is the 12 tooth one. Alright, now you want 3 of these 0.1 thickness spacers. Forgot to say you'll also need this part too. Almost forgot the thread lock. And that completes step 4, the gearbox or the transmission. And that completes this part of the build series. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next part of this boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 2 aka Kit and Build series. Thanks for watching.